Yo, what is going on, everybody? Today's video, we are coming at you with a new M2 video. You know how it is. Y'all should be hyped because in today's video, we are going to be installing the Mad single mid pipe on my G87 M2. So let's go ahead and pop it up on the lift right here and lift it up. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna bust that loose, that loose, that loose, and that loose, right? Which is gonna let us disconnect that from our down pipes. And then this whole side, we will be doing away with. Hence, the two connectors right there, because it connects right there. So I figured I would get a couple little before clips of the car revving, even though I don't wanna make it too hot. Gotta get some before clips, so. What's nice about working on a new car, they just bust loose instantly. After some finessing, and I kind of hurt that pipe a little bit, but got the stock one out. Boom. Alright guys, we're back and your boy made a huge mistake. Cut this too short. Had to double clamp it. Now I don't have clamps for this side, so I'm gonna have to order some. Yep, call me stupid. Call me stupid. But other than that, it looks great. Was very easy, very quick install. Yeah, but this is not good. I'll be putting front mount intakes on the S55. F82 pre-LCI. Here are the VRSF front mounts. Yep. As you can see, he's hella efficient with this. He's done it like 20 times, so he knows exactly what to do. Yep. Boom. Whole thing. And then you take out a bolt right there, that'll secure it. And then this thing will run like hot shit. Undo all these. And I don't think you take the front bumper off, you can pull it forward, correct? Yeah, you could just pull it forward and then put the front mount in. Put the front mounts in that way. One grill out. Import. Bro, look. Yup. Pop out them grills just like Austin's doing. Yup. Yep. Then you're gonna grab it from the other side. Yup. Wow. Then you hook that one up just like that. Make sure you put the mass airflow sensor in before you put the pipe in. And then make sure you got your factory freak line holder right here. For those of you who don't have factory freaks, you won't see this line or this holder. Alright, everything in the engine bay is tightened down. Now we're just tightening down the intakes themselves, and then we got to put the carbon piece that goes on top back on, and then she's ready.